मणिपुर पुवारी की सक्तम, मणिपुर पुवारी की सक्तम, मणिपुर पुवारी की सक्तम.
Work started in such a manner that it was a rainy day, and they abruptly and suddenly broke down everything. Of course, in the beginning when they were taking off the roof part, see, as a part of renovation, some tin roof might be changed or certain window plank may be changed like that. So when they were demolishing it partly, we thought that they are bringing it down to man it. So we didn't stop when they were doing it partly. But yeah, when the students asked also, it was informed that way. But suddenly, on a very rainy day, on the 8th October, they just bulldozed the entire bungalow just like that,
It has hurt every feeling of every true might say that our very historical bungalow is demolished. So now what is since the demolition has already been done, what we want now is that those officials involved in making the DPR, approving and then carrying out should be punished. And we also would like to give an appeal that whatever materials that has been demolished from the Rajbari should be recovered, kept properly and used for the reconstruction of the same bungalow. That's what I want to say.
I would like to pass on to Dr. Rocky Pebong, executive member of MAX, Manipur Investment Trust Ceylon.
Yeah, what I would like to tell is as a clarification, because last Sunday, the Art and Culture Director from Manipur came over here for inspection, and we were gathered here to meet all of them. And what he told was, if we could have been informed a little bit earlier, ahead, before demolition or at the time of demolition. But we were suspecting that maybe he might be meaning it through the PDA. If PDA was the executing agency, if they would have informed him. But in the paper, next day in the paper, we come to know that he was meaning it to MECS, that MECS should have informed him little bit in advance so that this could have been stopped. So that is meaningless. That is quite, it's not acceptable because they are the ones who made the DPR. So their department has already made the DPR to demolish it. Then how can he expect that MECS should have informed him? So this is totally unacceptable, and this is just washing off their hands and passing on the bucks. So we are not happy with what he has commented. So all the departments are now trying to escape from this mess. It's a big mess now. So I would like to say that all those officials who were involved in the preparation of the DPR for demolition of this heritage house, those who approve it and those who execute it, all are people who are anti-Manipur, anti-national, and a bunch of greedy beings. That is what I would like to say. Thank you.
So now our press, brothers and sisters, if you have any questions, now we can start the interactive session. We have given our opening remark. Thank you.